Squash and zucchini are varieties of pumpkin. At first glance, they seem to be the same. But as you will see, there are still differences. Let's start with the origins of these wonderful vegetables. The history of zucchini and squash involves a long journey of domestication, cultivation, and cultural integration, spanning thousands of years and multiple continents. Squash, like pumpkins, is one of the oldest known agricultural crops. Evidence of domestication dates back about 10,000 years in present-day Mexico and Central America. Squash arrived in Europe after European explorers reached the Americas in the late 15th and early 16th centuries. It quickly became integrated into European agriculture and cuisine. Zucchini, a specific variety of squash, was developed by Italian breeders with improved qualities in the late 19th and early 20th centuries. The term zucchini comes from the Italian word zucchino, meaning small pumpkin. Zucchini became popular in Italy and spread throughout Europe. Its ease of cultivation and versatility in cooking made it a staple of the Mediterranean diet. Zucchini was brought to the United States by Italian immigrants in the early 20th century, where it gained popularity. Today, squash and zucchini are grown worldwide. They are especially popular in home gardens due to their high yield and relatively easy growing requirements. How is zucchini better than squash? 1. Unlike squash, zucchini has thin, soft skin that doesn't need to be peeled before cooking. The skin contains vitamins and minerals. Some squash have bumpy, ribbed, and tough skin. 2. Its flesh is more tender, juicier, and has a mild, fresh taste. 3. Zucchini ripen faster than squash. 4. Zucchini have higher yields compared to squash. 5. Zucchini plants are more compact and take up less space in the garden. 6. You can make a wide variety of dishes with zucchini. Young zucchini can be eaten raw, added to smoothies, and even dried into chips. Many light snacks and even bread are made from zucchini. 7. Zucchini leaves are more deeply lobed with silver spots. This helps the plant produce high yields in very hot regions. 8. Zucchini is more tender and easier to slice, chop, and squeeze for juice, which is necessary for some dishes. 9. Zucchini have smaller seeds, whereas squash need to be deseeded. 10. Zucchini have significantly fewer calories, less than 16 kilocalories, while squash have about 27 kilocalories. This makes zucchini great for weight loss. Squash, of course, also have their advantages. Squash can be stored much longer, even until the next harvest. Squash can easily withstand slight cold snaps with low temperatures. But why are zucchini and squash so good? What do they contain? Both zucchini and squash are rich in fiber, which promotes healthy digestion. Thanks to the antioxidants they contain, they reduce the risk of developing certain types of cancer. These vegetables are very high in vitamin B6, which regulates blood sugar levels and reduces the risk of developing diabetes. Zucchini improves vision, as lutein and zeaxanthin help combat the negative effects of UV light on the eyes. They support hair health and prevent hair loss. They support skin health and collagen production, reducing the risk of psoriasis and dermatitis. They are rich in folic acid, which is important for cell division. You can find more information at the link below in the description of this video.